Welcome to the How Recent Pro channel. Today I will show you how to delete or reset Google Advertising ID on the ZTE Blade A36. So first of all, open settings with the shortcut here, or if it's not there, scroll down from the top of your screen and press this little gear thing to open settings. In settings, scroll all the way down to the Google section. Here click all services and scroll down a little to the ads section. From here we can reset and delete Google Advertising ID. Let's delete our advertising ID. Click delete. Now it is deleted. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos, leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.